Hello everyone. So in this part what we are going to discuss now, profit maximization in the monopoly. So assuming that there is a profit, abnormal profit, the firm is earning. See, remember already we have discussed that if there is a profit and average revenue curve, that is average revenue is greater than the average cost. Okay. So quickly we'll draw the diagram. This is price, cost and revenue, and here it is a quantity. Okay. See, remember in the perfect competition, the demand curve was like this. In the perfect competition, horizontal demand curve. The reason is perfectly elastic demand curve. The reason is there is no market power. So no market power, and there is a n number of substitutes. There are lot of closed substitutes. So that is the reason the demand curve is like a perfectly elastic demand curve. In the monopoly, there is no closed substitutes. So the demand curve is like a downward sloping. This is the demand curve. Right. So demand curve is also equivalent to AR curve. Okay. And remember, the MR curve will be below the demand curve. So in the elastic concept, we have discussed that. So when there is no substitute or no closed substitutes, then demand curve is steeper. Okay, demand curve is steeper. If there is a more substitute, then demand curve is flatter. Okay, if there is a lot of substitute, then n number of substitute, then homogeneous product only it will happen. Then the demand curve is like a perfectly elastic. That's what we have discussed in the perfect competitive market. Okay. Average revenue is greater than the AC. So AC curve will be always U-shaped. AC curve will be always U-shaped. And MC curve will intersect AC at the minimum point of the AC. So MC curve will be intersecting minimum point of the AC. So this is MC, this is AC. So we have already discussed profit maximization rule, MR equal to MC. MR equal to MC is the profit maximization rule. So here, so the MR curve is here and MC curve is here. So the profit maximization is taking place at this point. So this point is the quantity. Okay, this is the profit maximization quantity. At this quantity, the price equal to AR curve. We have already discussed. See, TR equal to, right? TR equal to price into quantity. So TR by Q equal to price. So this TR by Q also equivalent to AR. So price equal to AR. Okay. So the price will be marked in the AR curve, not in the MR curve. Here you will make a mistake. Here you will mark no. So the price will be on the AR curve. So at this quantity, this is the price. So this is the profit maximization quantity in the monopoly market. Meanwhile, the cost is here. This is the cost because this is average cost curve. So in the average cost point at this quantity, this is the cost. So this cost is so this much profit is earned by the firm in the monopoly market. And another question will come. Like we have already discussed that allocative efficiency will take place where price equal to NC or else price equal to AR equal to MC. This is the rule for allocative efficiency. See, remember, so here the AR curve, this is AR curve, MC curve, both are intersecting this point. This point is said to be a perfect competitive price. This price is said to be a perfect competitive price, and welfare loss will be created below the demand curve. See, look at this portion is created welfare loss. This portion is said to be a welfare loss. So technically, the market should produce this much quantity. See, this much quantity. The market should produce this much quantity, but the market is producing this much quantity only. So at this quantity, this is the price. This is the optimum price, allocative efficiency price. But the market is charging this much price. So that is the reason. That is the reason we are telling that. So there is a market failure happens because of the existence of monopoly. Okay, abnormal profit in the starter. Sorry, abnormal profit in the monopoly market. So where the AR is greater than the MC. This portion is said to be a profit area. Okay. Okay. Thank you.